Hey friends, so today I have a story for us, Over in the Ocean in a Coral Reef. And this was written by Marianne Berkes and it was illustrated by Jeanette Canyon. And I'm actually going to sing this story for you. It's to the tune of Over in the Meadow. So I thought that would be fun. And I chose the story because we are learning about animal habitats this week. So I thought this book would be fun because the habitat it's talking about is the ocean. And so we can learn about all of these different sea creatures that live in the ocean. All right. Over in the ocean in a coral reef. Over in the ocean far away from the sun lived a mother octopus, and her octopus one. Squirt, said the mother. I squirt, said the one. So they squirted in the reef far away from the sun. Over in the ocean where the seagrasses grew lived a mother parrotfish, and her parrotfish too. Grind, said the mother. We grind, said the two. So they ground on the coral where the seagrasses grew. Over in the ocean in a sea anemone lived an old mother clownfish and her little clownfish three. Dart, said the mother. We dart, said the three. So they darted all around in a sea anemone. Over in the ocean on a sandy sea floor lived an old mother stingray and her little stingrays four. Stir, said the mother. We stir, said the four. So they stirred with their fins on a sandy sea floor. Over in the ocean where the scuba divers dive lived an old mother puffer and her pufferfish five. Puff, said the mother. We puff, said the five. So they puffed in and out where the scuba divers dive. Over in the ocean doing somersault tricks lived an old mother dolphin and her little dolphin six. Jump, said the mother. We jump, said the six. So they jumped and they played doing somersault tricks. Over in the ocean in their sea fan heaven lived a mother angelfish and her little angel seven. Graze, said the mother. We graze, said the seven. So they lazed and they grazed in their sea fan heaven. Over in the ocean, very streamlined and straight, lived a mother needlefish and her needlefish eight. Skitter, said the mother. We skitter, said the eight. So they skittered through the water very streamlined and straight. Over in the ocean, drifting in a yellow line, lived an old mother gruntfish and her little grunts nine. Grunt, said the mother. Re-grunt, said the nine. So they grunted and they kissed, drifting in a yellow line. Over in the ocean in their turtle grass den lived an old father seahorse and his seahorses 10. Flutter, said the father. We flutter, said the 10. So they fluttered all around in their turtle grass den. Over in the ocean where the sea creatures play, while their parents all were resting, they up and swam away. Find us, said the children, from 10 to 1, when you find all the creatures and this rhyme is done. The end. So friends, we learned so many different types of sea creatures in this story. And we also learned about where they lived. And where an animal lives, that is their habitat. Where they live, where they find their food and their water. So we learned about clownfish, and then it shows a picture. This is their habitat, their home, their anemone. What else? Let's see, what other animal habitats did we see in this story? Let's see. Well, this is a picture of a stingray, and it shows them on the sandy sea floor. What else? What other fish did we learn about? Oh, here, picture of the seahorses in their turtle grass den. So we see these green pieces of grass. And yeah, this is their home, their habitat. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed our story and the song Over in the Ocean in a Coral Reef. Okay? And I will see you next time. Bye, friends.